So the line AB is inclined to VP. Top view of the line AB is 40 mm and perpendicular to XY line. So top view length is given. So you can note down the given information. So top view of line AB, this is equal to 40 mm. Then position of point A is given. And so now draw XY line. Then vertical line is X1, Y1. So we will get vertical plane above the XY line. Then this is the horizontal plane. And this plane, this is your profile plane, or it is a right profile plane. Here we can draw the side view. Okay. So you can observe in a 3 dimension. So this is the 3-dimensional view. The position of point A is given. So let us take this is the point A. It is in front of VP by 20 mm distance. So this is 20 mm. Above the HP by the same distance, that is the 20 mm. Okay. Now line's top view is perpendicular to XY line. So this is your XY line, that is the intersection of HP and VP. Okay. So if you draw the top view, then you will get the top view like this. So this is the top view of the line. So if this is a point A, then this is the A and this will be the point B. Okay. Because this top view is perpendicular to XY line. So this is how you can get the top view in the first quadrant, that is on the horizontal plane. Okay. So after rotation, as this is the first quadrant, so HP, it will be below the XY line. So we have to draw the top view, which is perpendicular to XY line. Okay. So first draw one horizontal line at 20 mm distance, because from the top direction, point A is 20 mm in front of VP. So draw one line at 20 mm distance. So this is just a reference. On this line, you can mark one point. So this is your point A, that is the top view of the point A. Then draw perpendicular line to the XY line. So this will represent the top view of the line AB. Okay. Now from the top view, you can draw the side view and the front view. Okay. So how to draw side view and the front view? So for that, from this point, draw one 45-degree line. Now draw the projector from the top view on that 45-degree line. So take the projector from the point A. Then take second projector from the point B. And from these 2 points, draw the projector on the profile plane, that is the side view. So in your actual drawing, you have to draw this by continuous thin line. Okay. Now refer the front view. So from the front direction, position of point A is 20 mm above the HP. Okay. So if you project this point on the vertical plane, then you will get the point A locus. So here the horizontal line, it represents the locus of point A at 20 mm distance. Okay. So somewhere on this line, you will get the position of point A dash. So that is the actual front view of the point A. So similarly, you can draw on the vertical plane one horizontal line at 20 mm distance with respect to the XY line. So take the distance 20 mm and draw one horizontal line. Okay. And extend this horizontal line in the side view. So now here you can observe we have got the position of the point A in the side view. So this intersection, it is an intersection from the front view and from the top view. Okay. So this will represent the position of point A in the side view. So this is a double dash. Okay. That means if you take one side plane, that is a profile plane, and if you draw the projector from the point A like this, okay, so this will be your A double dash. So this is the projector which is from the front view, and similarly you can take the projector from the top view. So they will intersect in the side view. That point is nothing but the A double dash. Okay. Now we want to locate the B double dash. So as the top view AB is perpendicular to XY line, that means in this side view, we will get the true length. That means line is parallel to side plane. Okay, that is a profile plane. So when the top view is exactly perpendicular to XY line, then we can say the given line is parallel to the profile plane. So therefore, in the profile plane, we will get the true length. So for that true length, we have shown the position of A double dash. Now we have to locate the B double dash point. So we don't have the true length of the line, but what is given, its inclination is given with respect to the horizontal plane. Okay. So by taking this inclination, you draw one line at 40 degree. Okay. Just take this angle 40 degree and draw this straight line. So when this straight line, it will intersect the second projector that is coming from the point B. This point is nothing but the B double dash. Okay, now this is your actual length or the true length of the line. So in the side view, you will get the true length. And now take the projector from B double dash point. Okay, and from point A, draw the vertical projector. So this intersection, this is nothing but point B or B dash. This is your point A dash, and this is the front view of the line. Okay, so here front view and top view both are perpendicular to the XY line. Okay, because line is parallel to the profile plane or this side plane. Okay, and in the side view you will get the true length. So this is the true length of the line. So if you want to represent that in 3 dimension, so this is the point A, and this will be your point B. Okay, so in the side view you will get the true length, and in the top view and in the front view you will get the reduced length. So this is your final projection. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you.